to today's video where we are going to be making some beautiful cupcakes. I am going to be using the Mary Berry recipe for vanilla cupcakes with swirly icing. I don't have swirly, I don't have strawberries, and I don't have pink food coloring, so I hope they taste good because they probably won't look as good. Okay, so my oven is preheated to 180 degrees and I'm just lining my cupcake tray with cupcake sleeves, cases. I'm using my electric whisk. I hate using this because every time I use it, it goes all over the walls. Welcome to our baking video. What are we making today?
We're making cupcakes.
We're making cupcakes. Okay, wish us luck, guys. Yeah, look at our lipstick. Yeah, that will be for the icing.
Yeah, yes, icing.
Okay, what's the first thing we have to do?
Yeah, what's the first thing I want that?
Okay, I need my measuring
Yeah.
thing.
Whatever it's called.
My bowl.
Yeah, and egg lily. Cupcakes.
Okay, how much flour? I'm using plain flour because we don't have
Yes, and there's a huge hole.
self-rising flour.
Mommy just made so many holes in this one.
Yeah, this one has a huge hole in it.
Yeah, so now Mommy has to peel back.
Okay, get ready. Ready?
Yeah, ready, Steph?
How much? We need 175.
You do this one. No, let's do a second one.
185. Close enough.
Listen up!
Okay, we need caster sugar 175.
Yeah.
Actually, we need a tiny bit more. There we go. No. No licking. No licking. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Always when I get my little teacup.
Maria's like, a daddy one, a mommy one, sister, and a baby.
How many did it say?
What you cuss?
Half. So I'll use my little teacup.
Yes! I got for mommy for Christmas.
Butter 175. Cut into large pieces. Okay, so I'll get a spoon. That might work a little bit better. It's working! Okay, now, okay, wait, what is this? That's your cupcake. Okay, now we need to put this into here.
Okay, I'll go get
Get the ice cream scoop.
Great idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so sometimes we use an ice cream scoop to fill up the cupcake cases. It must be in there somewhere. Guys, I made a huge mistake, okay? So here it says ingredients, but it says, see how halfway down it says for the icing? I didn't see that. Okay, so I wasn't supposed to put that milk in that I put in. So I hope that doesn't make a huge difference. I did not see that. Hence the title of this video. So let's just wait and see how that turns out. So I'm gonna try and do the icing sugar. Okay, so it says 175 grams of butter. Let's have another bowl. Because the other one's still dirty. Is it normal to sweat while you're making cupcakes? Like a workout. Okay. I don't know, I'm using like a plastic spoon because my other wooden spoon is dirty. I can't find my other one. Did I just put butter in my hair? 4, not bad. Oh! Icing sugar sifted. Okay, I was just taking photos with the icing sugar. Oh my goodness, they're getting so big. I can see them. Butter, vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of half the icing sugar in a large bowl and beat until smooth. Beat in the remaining icing sugar, pour in the rest of the milk if you need to make that. Oops. Okay, so I've added all the icing sugar. There we go. I don't know why my hair's static like that. Okay, making cupcakes is a little bit stressful. Especially probably like I'm not a baker, so I know I'm filming and I know Ariana's there and I'm trying to concentrate, but I read the recipe wrong and now I'm gonna try and do the icing, and I want it to look like that swirly icing that you get on top of cupcakes. That's my dream. So we'll see how that turns out. Maybe it'll be good. I just wish I was making my raw cakes. That's my safe recipe. Okay, kitchen's a mess, laundry's done, house is a mess. Is anyone else struggling like other? No, I'm not like a clean freak, but I like the house to be kind of tidy. If not, I just feel like my head gets messy if the house is messy. But the house is messy. Toys everywhere, oh my god. Like my little bunny, Easter bunny. It's Easter bunny. Yeah, so we'll wait and see how these cupcake turns out. It's date night tonight. We actually still managed to get 2 steaks for tonight. We don't have any green beans though, but that's the only thing we can manage to get for date night. We still have our wine, but we're not sure if our wine delivery is gonna come with Amazon or not. We have to wait and see because it says that Campo Viejo is all sold out. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? This was my makeup today. I did it for like an Instagram stories tutorial. Some of you guys messaged me saying that you like, sorry, I'm leaning on my laundry tower. Getting tired now, I need a coffee. Yeah, some of you guys said that you really like tutorials filmed that way because it's easy just to like pause the frame, see what I'm doing. Okay, next step. You don't get like clouded by all the information. So it's really good when you guys comment and tell me what you prefer. So let's see how that goes. And yes, I do have a timer on my cupcakes. It's on for 25 minutes. No, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Huh? Okay, here we go. Cupcakes. Cupcakes. Kitchen. Look at my curtains. It's all over my curtains. It's all over my coffee machine. It's on my wine. It's on my wine. Okay, so this is what the frosting looks like. I don't know if that's too thin or not. I don't know. I'm gonna go find out. Okay, let's add whatever this paste is that I've made.
How are you taking that out? I did it.
Alright, hold on.
Are you just working on that one?
Okay.
You this?
I'm unsure of what I've made. TBC. Title TBC. What do you think, babe? Look good? Yeah? I don't know why it's so leaky. And look how much we have left. We have heaps left. I'm so confused. Okay guys, thank you for watching our cupcake video. This is what we've made. I need a cup of coffee. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye. Cupcakes. I want to say cupcakes.
Cupcakes.